Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on these Bliwans rolling window shades. I'm super excited to try them out, guys, because they're actually blackout shades as well. Now, as you can see, I have my curtain with my blinds in the background, but I needed some blinds that would be able to block out all of the sunlight in the morning. So over here is where I sleep, and in the morning the sun hits my face all the time, so I needed some shades like these so they can block out all of the sun. I'm very excited to try them out. So these are in the shade white, and they're also 30 by 72 inches, so I think they will fit perfectly. I also wanted to thank Bliwans for sending me these curtain shades. I really needed them, so I'm super excited to test them out. But as always, guys, I will be giving my honest review on them, so let's go ahead, install them, and see how they work. So this is everything that it comes with. We have the shades right there. We also have the brackets that we're going to be installing. We have the hardware that we're going to use to install the brackets, and then we have the clip that's going to go in the bottom of the shade so we can roll them down, and we can also roll them up. And then we have the manual that's going to tell you everything that comes inside the unit and also how we're going to be installing them. But yeah, guys, that's everything that it comes with. Let's go ahead and install them and see how we like them. Alright guys, so we're done installing them. As you can see, it was super easy to do. We put in both of the brackets there, and we also put in the clip right here that you're going to use to pull down or pull up. So I really love them. Alright guys, so we're done installing the blackout rolling shades. I absolutely love them. They were super easy to install. We even put the little clip so we can just roll it down. Let me go ahead and show you. So we have the little clip here, and we're just going to pull it down. And that's how it looks. I really love it, guys. That's definitely going to block out all of the sun that I wanted to block out in the morning. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you the difference between the two blinds. As you can see, the ones on my left are the ones that I used to have. A lot of sunlight is coming in. And then the ones that I just put up, no sunlight is coming in. I absolutely love them. And then in the morning, if you want the sun to hit your room again, all you have to do is pull the little clip and it will slowly start dragging the curtain up. Let me go ahead and show you. It's gonna slowly start rolling up. Just make sure that it's aligned so it goes up very easily. Very nice, guys, very nice. But yeah, guys, those are the Bliwans curtains. I absolutely love them. I'm gonna go ahead and install the second one and the other curtain because I really love how it turned out. I love that it blocks out all of the sunlight. As you can see, none of the sun was coming inside the room. Now it looks very bright, but when I had the curtain down, it looked very dark. But I absolutely love them, guys. They were super easy to install, and I would definitely recommend them.